Hello again, folks. You are watching Ezra Ondara TV, and today's segment of reviews features some extraordinarily huge 2 and 3 bedroom apartments at Olive Inn in the city of Nakuru. Now, they are all ensuite with top quality finishing, and the establishment is located just a few meters off the Nakuru Kabarak Road, right at Olive Inn. Now, this means you have easy access to the Olive Inn shopping center, including a supermarket and other essential services. Besides, the establishment is secure and it's also 24/7 supply of water. Very nice. The price of these apartments, well, let me just say they are unbelievably affordable given the size and location. There are 2 layouts of the 2 bedrooms, and one goes for just 22,000 and the other one for 25,000. A 3 bedroom goes for 30,000. That said, if you're looking for a spacious, and I mean seriously large, 2 or 3 bedroom apartment in Nakuru, come and secure one here before they are finished. Let's go inside so you see what's on offer, and we are going to start with the 3 bedroom. Now over to the 2-bedroom, and by now I hope you have hit the like button and subscribed to the channel if you are new. So far, what do you like about the 3-bedroom? You know, what do you like there? So let me know in the comments. And that's it from these brand new apartments at Olivine in the city of Nakuru. I feel these are very affordable units, and their spaciousness means less crowding of items, be it in the lounge, kitchen, or even in the bedrooms. Up to this point, hit me up for viewing and further advancements, or you can even bring yourself if possible. Now share this video to other house seekers, and see you in the next one.